top of, is it Yadboro Road? Yeah, Yadboro Road. Hey Ryan, say hello.
Hello, how you all doing?
So we're gonna drop in now. We got through Milton okay, as you've seen. I was a bit excited. We made it through Milton, yes, no problems. So, but yeah, we're about to drop in and head to camp, and then hopefully it's a better trip than last time. What do you reckon? Yeah.
It's not dark.
It's not dark this time.
It's not dark.
It's just, the sun's just poking through. It's about another, was it 30 minutes to camp? So we better get going, we'll get in there. All right, we'll see you, you'll see it when we get there. We made it. We're about to cross the bridge. Look, there's the bridge. We're about to cross it. And look, it's still sunlight. It's still got daylight. Last two trips. Oh wow, the water level's huge. Look at the water level. Would you look at that? Wow. Pass me the phone. Pass me the camera. Oh, there you go. There's the water level. It's actually pretty high up. It's not usually that high. It was pretty much like that last time actually. So yeah, we're about to cross and we'll find Steve. He's up somewhere.
We'll find him.
Yeah, but we get to set up during the day. Morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
It's, what time is it?
Midday.
It's midday. And I just almost got swooped by a kookaburra. And Irene's going to try out her new swag. Not her swag, her drone. She has a new drone. So we'll see if we can get some footage from this. Look at this. This is beautiful. If it was warmer, I'd definitely be going in. What do you think, Ryan? Oh. I think I can get right in there. There we go. That's cool.
Or the branch snaps.
Okay. So today is Sunday and we've finally left camp. It's now 10 to 12. And what we've decided, we're going to go the long way, so we're going to do like a touring thing, which is what I wanted to do anyway. But we're heading on the Western Distributor, heading towards the highways, which we can split off to go to either Bavens Bay or Braidwood, and we'll do the loop back around through Nerriga and head back to home.
But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know it can burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. The rhythm of it.
Yep, you're right. Go a little bit left. Yep, you're right. You're on the right now. Right. Left. Yep. So that's why four-wheel drive tracks need to stay open, or tracks need to stay open. Four-wheel drivers clearing the tracks for fires and everything like that. Just do that little part, even if it's just that one tree. Hopefully it's just that one tree. But yeah, hopefully if you clear one tree for a track so fireys can go down if there is any fire, then it's one less thing they've got to do. So we were in three-wheel drive this morning. The hubs finally decided to start working. Might have got a rock somewhere and might have got stuck. You can kind of see Pigeon House Mountain through the trees. Ryan's out of the car. We'll go look for the river. But yeah, she's handling it really good. Ryan's is going all right. Irene's is, and Steve's. So we're just waiting for Steve. I think he's coming now. But look at this track, like it's, wow, it's awesome actually. It's just tight. It hasn't been used that much. Ryan's trying to capture as best as he can, but it's hard when you're all over the place and there's this rut in the middle of the road just there, and your car's just slipping in it all the time. So you gotta take it easy. We're almost at the Western Distributor, so we'll just keep going. Just cut another tree. It's covered in vines, so it's actually, this track hasn't been used for a while, and there the whole tree had vines just wrapped around it. So we're making this climb. Hopefully it's the last one, and then it should cut back through to the Western Distributor. But yeah, look out the window. Look how high we're up. You can see. There you go. Just got to be careful of these vines when we're driving along. So we'll see how I go. But yeah, it's getting very tight, very, very quickly. Look at that view. I don't think you can see through it. Ryan's coming flying up. Look at it. What an amazing day. Windy. Well, that's our first gate. No full driving.
Walking track down there, is it, Dave?
Oh no, have a look. There you go, so no nothing. It's used for essential management processes only. I just got out of the car because I want to show you this. Little drop, just straight down. That's cool. When so we're on the Western Distributor, we're not actually filming too much. Pointing out there, so it's very well maintained, it's graded, it's nice and smooth, but there's a lot, because we've got so much wind, there is so many trees
I reckon
coming.
some of those trees aren't far from coming down.
As you can just hear from Ryan.
I was thinking the same thing, man, they're moving.
We're trying to get out of here because on the ridges, the drive along the ridges, the trees are just, trees are just folding over. So, and when we went down the side track, there was just trees everywhere. We had to clear the trees, as you've seen. So we're going to try and get to lunch, but we're going to try and get out into one of the gullies, so it's a little bit safer. But we're just trying to get away because there's so many trees, branches on the road.
Did you ain't gonna stick, Dave?
Yeah, I thought so.
All good.
So our day is pretty
All
much.
good. OG to the house.
So road's closed. We can't get all the way out to Braidwood. So the bridge is damaged, washed away or something like that. So we're turning around, we're gonna head back a different route to get back to Milton instead. So we're not gonna not gonna transit through Yadboro, but we have to pretty much turn around and go back the way we came. So yeah, it was a risk because we know these storms and we had floods and we've had fire. And yeah, now we know that we can't get through, so we're gonna have to turn around and backtrack and go home this way, the same way we came in. Alright, look at this, what we found. When you're driving down here, look at it dips down. It was like one car at a time. So look at the water. The reeds. That's the end of it. We're just about to hit Milton. We're dodging these potholes because the road's rough, so we're dodging these potholes. Anyway, the trip didn't go to plan again. The bridge was wiped out, so we couldn't get across. We're only like 20 k's away from almost heading towards Braidwood, and then we had to turn around and go another way. But we will be back out here because we've seen so many tracks, so many campsites. It's all state forest. So yeah, and it's like just the Vikai country, just a new South Coast version. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see how this video goes. Hopefully I can salvage something. More potholes, yeah. So hopefully I can salvage something, but I hope you guys enjoy it and chuck a thumbs up if you can. Anyway, for next time, see you later. And Ryan, say goodbye.
No.
You don't know?
No.
Alright, well, make your own destination and have a good day.